Dear students, welcome you all for the online classes. In the last class, we had seen intervals as a subsets of R. Under that, we have 4 intervals. I will recapitulate all the things which we have discussed in the last class. That is nothing but last video. First, that is open interval a comma b, which is nothing but x such that x belongs to or a lesser than x lesser than b, correct? This is nothing but open interval a comma b. After that, second one, closed interval, which is in the fashion of x such that x lies between less than or equal to b less than or equal to a, correct? Which is in the closed interval. After that, a comma b, that is left close, right open. Totally we call it as an open interval, which is nothing but x such that a less than or equal to x lesser than b. After that, fourth one, a comma b, which is nothing but x such that a lesser than x less than or equal to b. These are all some 4 intervals we have discussed in the last video classes. Under that, these are some intervals and which are looks like what? Set builder format, which is intervals form, and these are nothing but flower bracket, which are nothing but a common statement or mathematical form, which is nothing but it looks like set builder form. And in the last class ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there are 4 intervals. One is called open interval, which is closed interval, which is semi open or semi closed, or totally we call it as open interval, and writing the question should be in this manner. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಿಸಿಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬಾರದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಗಳು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಿ ಓಪನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಕಾಮಾ ಬಿ ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ intervals in the form of set builder and set builder in the form of intervals. But the question in your exam, they will ask for 1 mark. They will ask for 1 mark. Convert set builder form into the intervals form and intervals form into the set builder form. It carries 1 mark question in the exams. So I will write some questions. Those questions answer we will take one by one. First, write the following as intervals. First one, x such that x belongs to R minus 4 lesser than x less than or equal to 6. Second one, x such that x belongs to real number minus 12 lesser than x lesser than minus 10. After that, third one, x such that x belongs to real number 0 less than or equal to x lesser than 7. Fourth one, x such that x belongs to real number 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. After that, fifth one, x such that x belongs to real number minus 5 lesser than x less than or equal to 7. Dear students, look at the questions. They are given Write the following as intervals. Our job is to convert those given form into the intervals form. You are all know intervals, how to construct the intervals. What they have given, x such that x belongs to real number, -4 lesser than x less than or equal to 6, means -4 is open and 6 is close. Why because close? Because of less than or equal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than or equal ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 6 ಎಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. -4 ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ x such that x belongs to r ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x -12 ಮತ್ತು -10 ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, x such that x belongs to r ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x, 0 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, 7 ಹೇಳುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಓಪನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x such that x belongs to r ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 is close and 4 is close. 3 is close, 4 is also close because of less than or equal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x such that x belongs to r, -5 is open interval, that is interval open at -5, close at 7. Why? Because less than or equal to 7. Now solutions I will take one by one. Solutions. First one, how to write x such that x belongs to r, -4. -4 is open, correct? -4 is open, comma 6 is close. 6 is close. Second one, -12 is open, -10 is also open. Therefore, -12, -10. I think you are all followed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 0 ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ or lesser than 7 ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 0 is close. Look at 0 is close, 7 is open. 7 is open. 7 is open. After that, fourth one, 3 is close. 3 is close, 4 is also close. ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್? both are less than or equal ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ less than or equal to ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. After that, fifth one, -5 is open, -5 is open, 7 is close. 7 is -5 is open, 7 is close. -5 is open, 7 is closed. These are all conversion of set builder into intervals. Which format it is? A given format which is in set builder. We have converted all the 5 set builder forms into the intervals form. After that, suppose they may ask these intervals convert into set builder. We have to write this way, correct? And vice versa. Both are one and the same. This answer is this and this answer is this. They are vice versa. Next is, I will give some questions based on conversion of intervals into the set builder form, which is also very, very important for category of 1 mark. What they ask is, write the following intervals in set builder form. First one, -3, 0. Second one, 6, 12. Third one, 6, 12. Fourth one minus 23 comma 5. Fifth one minus 3 comma 5. Correct? These are all some intervals they are given. Intervals ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ intervals ಇಂದ set builder conversion ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವು 5 ಇದೆ. 5 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ solutions one by one. Correct? First one minus 3 comma 0. You may write it as x such that x belongs to capital R. What is the meaning of R? Each x coming from real number set, that is R. Minus 3 lesser than x lesser than 0. Correct? You may take it as both are open. So x such that x belongs to real number. Minus 3 lesser than x lesser than 0. After that, second one 6 comma 12 is equal to both are close. X such that x belongs to real number. 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. Third one minus 6 comma 12 is equal to x such that x belongs to R. 6 is open. Why because open? Because of one of the integers parenthesis. The parenthesis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು 6 is open lesser than x less than or equal to 12. Correct? After that, fourth one minus 23 comma 5, which is nothing but x such that x belongs to real number. Minus 23 is close, less than or equal to x. Minus 23 less than or equal to x, open it 5, therefore lesser than 5. After that, fifth one minus 3 open, which is equals to x such that x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number. Minus 3 less than or equal to x lesser than 5. Lesser than 5. Look at the answers. If you have any doubt, minus 3 0, both are open, so I written it at minus 3 0, not less than or equal. Both are close, therefore less than or equal. Similarly, rest of the things follows automatically. These are the conversion of set builder into intervals into the set builder format. It may ask for 1 mark category, either conversion of intervals into set builder or conversion of set builder into intervals form. Next, I will give some questions which meant for assignment later. Next, we will take one of the important concepts in set theory, that is power set. Power set. Next is power set. Power set. What is meant by power set? Power set is nothing but they may ask 1 more question for what is meant by power set and write the power set of some following examples, which is nothing but questions. Power set definition is the collection of all the the collection of all the subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. What is power set? Power set is nothing but collection of all the subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. What is meant by collection? Collection is nothing but, another definition is nothing but the set of all subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A. The set of all subsets of a given set, or you may take the set of all subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A. Power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. What is P? P stands for power. What is power set? The collection of all the subsets of a given set. The collection of all the subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of capital A, and it is denoted by P of A. Collection means we have to find the subsets first, then we put the braces. ಈ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಬ್ರೇಸಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ by taking one example. One the point is in the P of A, every element is a set. In P of A, every element is what? In P of A, every element is a set. You have to analyze the statement once again. The collection of all the subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. This or you may take one more definition. The set of all subsets of a given set capital A is called power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. In the P of A, in the power set of A, every element behaves as a set. In P of A, every element behaves as a what? Set. In power set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಅವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವುಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದರೆ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ವಿಚಾರದಿ now I will take one example for power sets. Example for power set. Example: A is equal to 1 2 1 2, correct? Then first our job is what? First our job is to find subsets of the set capital A. Subsets of capital A are, first is empty. Empty set is subset of every set. Empty ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಶೂನ್ಯಗಣ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, empty set. After that singleton ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Every element of A is an element of B. You know the definition of subset. If A is a subset of B, then how to write A is subset of B? What is the meaning of that? A ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗುಣಾಂಶಗಳಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? B ದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. Every element of A is an element of B, then A is subset of B. First, correct? Singleton 1, after that singleton 2, after that set containing 1 and 2. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನೋಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ನೋಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನದು ನೋಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ subset, empty set is subset to every set and given set is subset to itself. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Here also empty and singleton set containing 1 and 2 which are subset to itself. Is subset to given set. Empty set is subset to every set. Given set is subset to itself. Therefore, rest of the elements should write. Correct? Set containing 1 2, set containing 1 2, singleton 2, singleton 1 empty. Now power set of capital A, that is P of A is equal to, how to write? The collection of all the subsets. Collection of all the subsets. Collection ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? In power set ಅಲ್ಲಿ collection ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಬಂದಂತ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. In P of A we write it as empty, correct? Singleton 1, singleton 2. How to read? Singleton 1, singleton 2, set containing 1 and 2. In the P of A, just to observe, singleton 1, every elements are nothing but what? Elements are looks like set, or element behaves as a set. Therefore, in P of A, every element is a set. I will take one example. I will take one more example, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Correct? 1, 2, 3. Then the subsets of A are what? Subsets of capital A are empty set. After that singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3. After that you may take the pairs. Pairs are nothing but 1 and 2. Pairs are nothing but 1 and 2. After that 2, 3. Are you agree? Pair movement 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1. After that whole set that is 1, 2, 3. Correct? This is the tricky way just to observe. Empty set is the subset of A. Singleton 1 is a subset of A. Singleton 2 is a subset of A. Singleton 3 is a subset of A. After that, just to go with pairs. First two like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. After that, whole set 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? After that, power set. Power set of A, that is P of A is equal to empty, singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Correct? 1, 2, 3. Which are nothing but what? Power sets. While writing power set, first our job is to write subsets. Then you put the braces. What we obtain for the subset, again we put the braces. Then subset, all the subset becomes the elements of power set, which are nothing but some power sets example. Then I will take some more examples, or I will take it as a node. I will write some notes about power set. I will write note about subsets, that is power set. First note is if capital A is a set with n of A is equal to m elements, then P of A which is equal to 2 to the power n of A which is equal to 2 to the power m elements. Correct? Just to look at the note number 1, if you take note number 1, if A is a set with n of A is equal to m, n of A is equal to m, then n of P of A is equal to 2 to the power n of A is nothing but 2 to the power m. For example, I will take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. We have discussed it, correct? Previous 2 minutes before, we have discussed the same set, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3. How many subsets we obtain? We obtain 8 subsets. Correct? 8 subsets we obtain. How it becomes? Look at the note. N of A is equal to what? N of A, number of elements of the given set capital A. How many elements? N of A having 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Then n of P of A, n of P of A, which is equal to what? 2 to the power n of A. Correct? Which is nothing but what? 2 to the power n of A is nothing but what? 3, which is nothing but 8. 8 elements which are present in power set of a set capital A. Power set of a set capital A same as subsets. Correct? How many subsets? 8 subsets. How many power sets elements? 8 elements. Therefore, which is one of the important formula for finding cardinality of the power set. What we call n of A is nothing but cardinality. Cardinality of the set capital A. Here n of P of A is nothing but cardinality of a set P of A. That is power set. Cardinality ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. Correct? N of P. After that, second note you may take while finding P of A. While finding P of A means power set, first we find the subsets of capital A, then we put the flower brackets or braces. Flower brackets, you better write flower brackets, that is braces. Flower bracket, this is braces. This symbol, correct? Correct? This symbol. Before finding the power set of the given set, first our job is to find subsets. After getting the subsets, you may put the braces, then you get the power set, which is very, very simple in the exam. In the exam, they may ask, write the power set of the following sets. It carries 2 mark question. Or define power set, give one example. Define power set, give one example. It carries 2 mark question in the exam. After that, I will take some examples. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. First one, singleton A. Second one, set containing AB. Third one, 1, 2, 3, just covered. Fourth one, only empty. Correct? Dear students, look at the question. Don't take tension. write down all the subsets. They want subsets. Better understanding we will take next the same question as write down the power set of the following sets. Solutions. First one, A is equal to, or like you take, like A is equal to singleton A. Subsets of capital A are, correct, empty. After that, singleton A itself, correct, because it has only one element, 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2, therefore it has only 2 subsets. After that, second one, A is equal to AB, set containing AB. Subsets of capital A are empty. Empty set is subset to every set. Singleton A, singleton B. After that, set containing AB. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 elements. Therefore, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4 elements. After that, third one, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then subsets of capital A are, correct? We have discussed empty, singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3. After that, set containing 1, 2. We go with the cyclic order, 1, 2, 2, 3. 3, 1. After that, 1, 2, 3. These are all subsets. After that, fourth one, they are mentioned only empty, correct? Fourth one, A is equal to empty, which is nothing but this one, correct? Then subsets of capital A are what? Empty. Empty. There is no element. No element means 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, subsets of capital A are empty. These are all subsets of the following sets. Correct? Subsets of the following sets. After that, the question should be same. We should write the power set of the following sets. Power set of the following sets. That will be discussed in the next class. What we have to find out? First subsets. After that, we have to put the braces for the same answers what we obtained in the subsets category. That will be discussed in the second class. That is the next class.